Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to compare the Slate AX, the AXT1800 with the Beryl AX, the MT3000. We are going to see what are the differences in the spec. So the processor is better for the Slate only because you're going to have quad core comparing to dual core. The RAM is better for Beryl AX. You're going to have DDR4 there. Then Beryl AX got also better flash. 256 megabytes. Now the Beryl AX got better Wi-Fi speed. As you can see, it got better 5 GHz and it got only a little bit lower the megabytes, like about 30 to 2.4 GHz. The open VPN speed is also better. The WireGuard speed is better on the other hand with the Slate. And ports, you are going to have it better for the Slate AX, but the important thing to know is that you're gonna have one VLAN, you have two LAN there, and one micro SD, so that's the difference. Beryl AX got better Ethernet speed, so you can see right here, you can have 2500 megabits for the WAN, and LAN is the same. So the power input is similar. Power consumption also similar, not that much difference. And then all the other things are tied, like VPA3 protocol, Edgard Home, IPv6 support, and many others. So just wanted to make this quick video for you. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.